It's Friday the 19th of June. We're about 6:30 in the morning. We're coming out to uh, check the bees. We've noticed a significant decrease of activity. It's 78 degrees, 57% humidity, about 6:30 on the 16th. And we have noticed a significant decrease in activity, both anecdotally watching the bees flying around or not flying around, and also the number of tubes being filled seems to be decreasing. So, but we're going to keep monitoring this. One of the other things, as we've spoken of, is that some of these tubes are filled with mud, so they're probably from our population of blue orchard bees last year. So this is the so-called front of the habitat. We're now going to spin it around and check the back. Okay, this is the back, so-called back of the habitat. You can see on this side here, which is farthest from the wall, closest to the sidewalk, that's where most of the activity is. As you go towards the so-called back, towards the wall, you can see there's a lot more of the mud-filled tubes. So we'll now take pictures of these to record the tubes filled. Again, it's June 19th, about 6:30 in the morning. We'd been checking the habitats out by the rose garden. We hadn't been checking this one because nothing seemed to happen. But when we checked it yesterday, you can see in the lower left-hand corner, right here, they did get another tube filled, apparently with mud. So it's probably a blue orchard bee, but that was just in the last few days. On the June 19th in the morning, this is the crepe myrtle tree, which the blue orchard bee, or the leafcutter bees, really like to cut the leaves on this one. But you can also see there's significant activity here with bees flying to flowers. So it might be harder to see in the video than in person, but there is a lot of bees flying around here in the morning. And so we're monitoring this to see if we can figure out what kind of bees they are. And the other thing we have noticed is, like we said, there's blue orchard bees that maybe are picking up mud from here or over by the lemon and orange trees. But you can see there's quite a bit of bee activity here this morning with bees going to the flowers.